Hi guys, welcome to V&T Tech, technical solutions to ease your day-to-day work. Today we are going to see one how to do a backup in Alcatel OmniPCX Enterprise OXE system. In this OXE system, we have to do backup of the database in many situations. The situations are periodic backup. Maybe we do it in 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year time, so that we can keep a database in for our reference. Second one, when we do an upgrade, it is always better to have the backup to be taken. Then after the backup, after the upgrade, we can restore this database if required. Or when we do any major activity, it is always better to take a backup, because sometimes it can happen like the hard disk is not coming back and maybe there is some corruptions in the system. Always it is good to have a backup for your own preference. And also if you are doing a restart also, it is always better to have a backup. So we are just going to see that we have just done logged into the system. Then we have done mtcl for login. Now we can do like we have to log into swinst uh, login. You can see I will just show you here. SWINST swinst login. You know the password is SOFTINST softinst. So in this S and I are capitals. I am just giving you this password, and this is the default password, and enter. Then it will give you a menu where there is EC menu, expert menu. Now that is true. Here you can see like many options like software installation and backup, OPS, like license configuration and many other things. But we are today we are going to option 4, that is backup and restore operations. Option 4, you can see immediate backup operations, periodic backup operations, and restore of the database. Okay, now we will do an immediate backup operation. One. Okay, here you can see immediate backup on CPU disk where it is in the hard disk of the CPU. Also, you can do it in the network. Okay, but as for easy purpose, we are doing it on one, that is on CPU disk. Here, you can see many options. Don't be confused with many options. Like the one which is backup MAO. MAO is the database of the system. Then voice gates and accounting data. Okay, that all the files will come as a single file. Now if you want to take it differently, like MAO data separate, accounting data separate, voice gates and separate, you can select options 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then MAO data for rebuild. Maybe when you are doing an upgrade and you want to take the database and you have to rebuild it to the new software, you can use that. Then ACD files is for the CCD system. You have a call center in it. 4645 is voicemail, integrated voicemail. 464035 is also a integrated voicemail, but that is in the crystal hardware. Okay, so these are the things. Now we are going to option one, that is backup MAVO, voice gates and according dash. Okay, if you would like to have more options, for example you want 2 also, okay, put that, 3 also, 4 also, 5 also. Okay, so until you can enter like this, and if you get entering on the blank, then it will start taking the backup just like this. So you can see on the screen that it is being done like one by one. First, it will take the full file with accounting data, MAVO, and voice gates. Now it has come to the second, that is MAVO data only. Then now it will go to third, that is accounting data only. Yeah, this is accounting data only. Then the fourth for rebuild, like that. So once it is completed, it will give you like backup of MAVO data files. Everything is completed. Okay. Now press return. Okay, your backup is done already, but it is still in your hard disk. You have to take it out. How you can take it out? You can use a FTP tool. Okay, FTP tool. is like uh, if you are having a FTP client, it is okay. Otherwise, you can have like a command prompt. Okay, so now the thing is like I am using a command prompt. It is in C backup. So I have selected C backup folder. You can use any folder. Then you can do a FTP. Okay, FTP IP address 192.168.0.31. That is IP address of the OXE. Okay, it will ask for the login, that is MTCL, and the password is also MTCL. Okay, now it has logged in. Now you should not forget one step, that is you would have to take the data outside in binary format. There are two formats, that is one is binary format, the another one is ASCII format. I am just writing it for you here, but we need only in binary format. How can we do that? You can put like PIN, then the type is set to I. If you are not doing that, automatically default it will be selected as ASCII mode and the backup will not work. So means the files which you store, it will not work. So you have to make sure that it is in binary mode. Now you can put hash. This hash is mark printing on, means whenever it is transferred it will give you an indication. Okay, now we are going to cd, we are going to the folder where the database is stored, user for partition, then the folder is backup and immediate folder IMMD. Okay, now it has gone there. Now we are putting mget. Also just mention, don't forget that the backup and IMMD, I put it in caps, that is mandatory, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so now mget star. Why mget? Means you are getting some files from the system, so it is mget star. Now mget star you enter, it is asking you, do you want account file? Yes. Do you want ACD file? Yes. So you can see that you are seeing some hash. When the transfer is happening, you can see a progress in hash. That is because you put hash on the top as a command. The printing is on. Otherwise, it will not give you all this hash. Okay. Now another one, yes. EVA, yes. Then EVA message, yes. Mavo, yes. Mavo count, yes. Mavo dot, yes. Upstart, yes. VG, yes. So this hash will give you an assurance that the data files are moved. Okay, this is already done. Now we are going to the folder where it is being saved, right? So you can see this is my backup folder where you can see all these files here just transferred, right? Account ACD dot eva message mavo account, all the files you can see. So this is how it is already transferred. So guys, this is how we do a Mao database backup. You can do it regularly, and once you do it, make sure that you transfer it to your computer by this procedure FTP. And I will show you another video how you can restore the database. Okay, thanks for now. Bye bye.